Hello, today we are going to create models of the life cycles of different animals. We need rubber sheet, we need card, and we will use these to create different models. We will start with the life cycle of a butterfly. So join me. The first stage in the life cycle of a butterfly is the egg. So now we will put the rubber card, we will place the eggs. First, a butterfly lays eggs on a leaf. The butterfly's eggs will hatch into a caterpillar. In some insects, it's called larva stage. Then, the caterpillar will develop and change into a chrysalis. And finally, the chrysalis, after a long time, is going to become an adult butterfly. An adult butterfly can fly and it can make more living things like itself. So this is the life cycle of a butterfly. Then we are going to use the spin so you can be able to hold and rotate. First, we are going to insert it at the top. Then we will use a rubber band to hold it. We can now spin it round, and you can see the life cycle. You can see the different stages in this life cycle. The second life cycle we will be making today is the life cycle of a cockroach. A cockroach has a slightly different life cycle from that of a butterfly in that it does not have the larval stage. It has a nymph. So let's dive in. First, an adult cockroach is gonna lay its eggs in a cocoon. Then these eggs will hatch into nymphs. Nymphs have legs, but they don't have wings to fly. As time goes by, the nymphs develop small wings between 4 to 5 months. So we will have a mature nymph. And finally, the nymph develops further to become an adult cockroach. An adult cockroach has fully developed wings. It can fly and it can reproduce. This happens between 9 to 13 months. So guys, this is the life cycle of a cockroach. We have the egg, the young nymph, the adult nymph, and finally we have the adult. Now we will do the same thing like we did before. We will insert a hook at the top and we will use a rubber band